Hello guys, it's Carl from Studio In Car. We did the GTR a little while ago, about 2 weeks ago now I think. It went home and we completely forgot to do an end shoot. So we've called Steph and he's got his son Luca with him, and he's come back down today so we can actually get some footage, show you what we've done in here. Steph's been through twice now. First one was a level 1, just bass. Just wanted a bit of a bass upgrade, so we put a couple of W1s and an Audison SR1 in there, just on a small, simple build. And now he's gone the sort of, you know, the full system route. So we've got in their kit list 51K, Audison 51K, an Audison Quattro, an Audison Bit 1 HD, 2 Hertz Melee 12s, and Dynaudio Audison Tech front end. So the Tech 242 set is around £600. Custom build for the tweeter to get them on axis with the driver. Mid bass has had a load of work as well. It's real nice and strong in this car. DRC mount, a boot build. Steph wanted something to display, you know, some pride of ownership in there, which is lovely. Custom sub boxes, but it's all OEM integration, so you can probably hear in the background that's playing the car's CD player. We also fitted a streamer to this car so we can go direct to DSP. It's proper nice system. So yeah, we'll show you around it, take a look. There's no installation on this one because, truth be told, we were flying when we were doing it, so we just couldn't stop and get the footage. Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't, you know. So yeah, take a look. Let's go and see. What are you saying, Stu? Lunchtime. Now, from sitting inside the car, that's about it. It's about all you can see. You just get the massive sort of sonic upgrade, rather than there's no need for it to be crazy looking inside there. We do have the boot, which is, there's a load cover that goes on there. It's not in there at the moment because it's not carrying any shopping. Load cover. Load cover out. Mira. Phone kit works. Right, so quick demonstration. I thought I'd run you through rather than just show you the system and that be that. This is all working sort of flawlessly from the OEM system. We get a lot of questions about how we do it, and it's ran, you know, direct from the unit. We make our own harnesses, and off we go. You know, we've got a fully full fat signal, so it's not actually, I don't know how well you're going to pick up, because we're trying out a couple of mics at the minute, but you know, and there's a fair bit of bass in here. Steph likes a bit of bass, hence the 2 subwoofers. But you know, there really is, you couldn't want much more from it in terms of output and volume. But that said, it is still an OEM unit, so it is going to still have its own sonic characteristics because it's an OEM unit. You know, we all know manufacturers build things to a certain budget and they have to stick to that. That's fine, that's why people like us exist. So we fitted in this car a streamer, which I'm pretty sure I'm already connected to because we set this one up. So if on the DRC, it's hard to get you in the shot, but on the DRC, which you've seen previously in the video, if I press select and I change the source, I'll turn my volume down because of course now we're controlling volume in the digital domain. I'll go to Tidal and I'll press play, and that's basically just a Firefly blacklight smoke track, and now I have control of the DRC. But fundamentally we're direct to DSP from Tidal, so we have no pre-equalization, we have no bad sounding OEM unit to get over. We're direct into the stereo, and that's, like I say, we've got acres of volume again. Now this car, that, you know, the OEM unit isn't actually that bad. You know, it's not full fat, but it isn't that bad. But some cars, you know, particularly BMW and things like that with dreadful sounding OEM units, fitting a streamer direct to DSP is a great way of actually experiencing the full range of the system that you've paid for and had installed. So it's just a touch in here. We're also trying to get you know, Steph and everybody else onto a full fat streaming into that generation. You know, there's still a lot of CD holders around the place that we're trying to get people onto streaming. It's just so much more convenient, you know. So yeah, anyway, about this setup, or about the GTR, if you have a GTR and you want to come in, about any of the products, you know, of course they're all supplied and installed by ourselves. They're all online, or they're all available here, you know. Give us a shout, speak to us, and we can tell you what something like this costs, what if you want to go up or if you want to go down. It's entirely up to you. But these needn't be bad sounding cars. They're absolutely dreadful from stock. So yeah, get in touch, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the standard YouTube gubbins, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. This is Steph's GTR. I'm Carl from Studio in Car. It's so hot in here. Absolutely roasted.
You got lovely sunshine up here, back.